Hi Jaydev. We can't imagine you are going to be 65 tomorrow. The youngest member of our group. We always thought that you are yet to reach 50. With your energetic nature, with your passionate about everything in life, with your enthusiasm, we always felt young in your company, and you are the one who is eternally optimistic. You are optimistic about everything. Yes, it has been your plus point, or maybe sometimes that optimism might have put you in some trouble, but I think you are so positive about everything that you have come out from all your problems, and I'm sure you are going to have wonderful success in future in your remaining life.
Happy birthday, Jaydev. You always call me girlfriend, right? I'm so proud of you. You have been so helpful to everyone. You have a wonderful family, and we are very proud of you that you are taking care of your parents, your grandchildren, and your home. God bless you and have many, many, many more. And we enjoy your company all the time. God bless you.
Very happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaydev. Happy birthday to you.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो देसाई साहब, आपके अपने जीवन के 65 साल पूर्ण करने की बहुत बहुत बधाई. हैव ए गुड डे, एंजॉय कीजिए. वी प्रे फॉर योर लॉन्ग लाइफ.
Hi Jadev, dear friend. We have a lot of memories of our lifetime in Air Force. I recall we first came together in Ozar in 1982 when I came there on posting. We were roommates. We had a good time there. There are many memories of that place. Like I remember one night when your parents and sister landed up without any warning. So that that is something very funny memory we all have. Then you had that classic motorcycle, that could be started only by you. Anyway, then we had our, both of us, we got married almost around the same time, had our first kid around the same time. And again, I cannot forget the evenings we used to have, staying in the houses across each other, making cocktails out of anything whose juice could be extracted. It was a really good time. Enjoyed. Then we appeared for MTech. The brilliant, hardworking, and intelligent character that you are, you were supposed to go to Cranfield for MTech. It's very unfortunate that the previous year guy who could not go took your place. But anyway, we met again during our MTech days. Again, we had a good time. You are very good at creating good times. And I remember there was a champagne bottle which Gauri Shankar had brought. And the amount of champagne we spilled, we'll try to open the bottle because none of us knew how to open a champagne bottle. And how Gauri got senti when we made a statement कि ये तो white wine है. Anyway, so these were all good days. Then after that, later we met very rarely. When he used to come to Ozar when I was posted there. But it was a good time whenever we met. Then a very good thing you did was that getting the idea of our MiG-21 pioneers get together at Ozar, which we did, and it was a very good. Everybody liked that. It also started that group Zars of Ozars, which is quite lively. It was a good idea. Very well done. Now, as it happens, you are a very hard-working character, intelligent, can never sit idle. वो जो कहते हैं ना दिमाग में कीड़ा घुस जाता है. So you are that kind. And I am sure whatever you do, you will do good. And all the best to you. Have a great life. And it's really a pleasure to have a good friend like you. You are very good at making and keeping friends. Nice to have a friend like you. Happy life, happy, healthy, enjoyable life to you. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaydev. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Many more strength to you. Happy birthday to you. Jaydev, 65 years complete થઈ રહ્યા છે નહીં જયદેવ? બસ તારી પાછળ મારા પણ આવી જ રહ્યા છે. હા, બસ ભગવાન તને ખૂબ સ્ટ્રેન્થ આપે અને ખૂબ ખૂબ સારા કામ કર એવા અમારા બધાના બ્લેસિંગ્સ છે.
Yes, Jaydev, 65 years completed. Now you have become a senior citizen. But you don't look like one nor act like one. You have a very tremendous capacity for work, and I wish you will continue to have the same capacity for work. You enjoy your life, keep enjoying your life, and like as usual, you keep giving the advice to all for all occasions, saying chalo daru peete hain. So I am giving you the advice now, chalo daru peete hain. Wish you many more happy and healthy years ahead.
Happy 65th birthday. Jaydev and I have been close friends since our BITS days in 1973 for over 48 years. I recall that he was always warm-hearted, fond of movies, and enjoyed our long discussions on any subject. He used to be an expert packer and used to help me always pack my bedding and my baggage. To this day, Preeti complains that Jaydev I spoiled you. He evolved during our Pilani years into a patriotic young man, wanting to serve his country, and though he could have joined the private sector after graduation with higher salary, he elected to join the IAF. He shone there. But it was after leaving the IAF after 20 years that his fighting qualities really came to the front. He had probably the most challenging time of his life adjusting to civilian life and business. But through those most trying times, during which he had the steadfast support of Manisha, my admiration of him grew manifold. He has been taking care of not only his own nuclear family, but also his aged parents and mother-in-law, who all stay with him. Through it all, he has remained affectionate, and dynamic and cheerful, and he has delved passionately into so many different things with the same enthusiasm which we saw in him in those student days. Hats off to him. Hats off to you, Jaydev. Preeti and I wish you a very happy birthday and lots of lovely returns always. So here is 3 cheers for my friend who is an exemplary son, husband, father and grandfather. Jai Ho Jaydev and Jai Hind.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to our dear Jaydev. Happy birthday to you. Hi dear. Many happy returns of the day. Our 65-year-old young boy.
Jaydev, you are a real gem of a person and a great friend.
Yes. And I tell you, during our long association, while in Air Force or even after retirement, you have been real asset to we as a family. Keep it up. Thank you very much. Have a nice cheers. And God bless you.
always.
Cheers, cheers. Love, my dear. Have a nice day.
So, Jaydev, are you surprised? No, I thought it was a very special birthday, as we should have completed 65 years. So I wanted to wish you personally, and thank you for providing some wonderful moments when we have been together. It really has been very lovely knowing you, and we hope that we will continue being in touch and providing friendship, companionship for many, many more years. Have a great time and be good. No heavy drinking, my dear. Take care. Bye-bye. And a big thank you to Manisha for maintaining Jaydev as he has been since we knew him first. Here's to both of them. Cheers.